Hi, welcome. My name is Frank Iñiguez and I am super excited that finally I started my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be talking about wonderful information that I talk about in different parts of the United States and in Mexico, and now this information is going to go around the world. What am I going to talk about? I am going to talk about topics such as health, communication, persistence, discipline. Pretty good, huh? And now the way I'm going to present this topics is going to be very easy to understand, because when I was growing up, I wasn't very good at understanding. As a matter of fact, I got kicked out of high school. We'll talk about that later on. Anyway, as I learned about these topics, I got better and better to the point, and little by little, to the point that I graduated from the university. You know how I did it? I did it through a thing called discipline. I'm going to talk about it. How do you eat it? How do you use it? How do you make it work for you? So it's going to be very easy to understand the topics. I am excited to be sharing them. So hope you subscribe and you share, because that's the way these things work. If you share it, it goes around the world easier. Till next time, your friend, the ambassador of reading, Frank Iñiguez, wishing you well today and always, knowing that you will find and get what you are looking for.